You do?
Yeah.
See, now this is convincing, Sweets, what you're showing right now.
Okay, like I finally got it to be like.
Well, it's working. I'm watching it work. And if you're stopping, I don't know why you're stopping, but if you kept going, you'd be done in no time. What are you going to do with that?
See, that's the problem. Is what do you do when you have? I was gonna try it on my arms. When it's on your fingers, yes, it works. The wax you have. See, you have a lot of wax on here still. Do you mind if I try something, Nina? You can try it on yourself. But you have your hair in here. That's why I don't want to touch it. I wonder if I can. See, look, this is the consistency it should be, so that you can put it on, like. Just try it like on somewhere. Put it over here. So why don't you do it? You're supposed to go like that, and then. Oh, it got rid of it.
Wow, this is cool.
That was. What would be nice is if we had like one of those. Oh shit! It's stuck on my finger.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what are you doing?
Damn, Nina.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Leave it up to Bambina to...
That didn't happen to me. Give it to me. It doesn't happen to me.
Let me see your hand.
Let me see your leg. Which way? So I'm gonna go against.
Oh crap! Oh, doesn't that pull?
It does pull actually a little.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, it's another shit.
What is that?
That's the sugar ball.
What do you mean it's a sugar ball?
Oh shit! Your mom's gonna be pissed.
Put it on mommy's rocks.
It's a rock. The water's gonna wash it away anyway. Oh fuck, we're gonna get ants. Fuck. I didn't think about that. Ants are literally just we're gonna have a colony of ants there tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, you better get it off. Your mom is gonna flip.
No. What should I
She's
use, the
gonna flip
wax
over.
strip?
Put it with the other nut.
No, if you put that wax strip, the whole thing's gonna stay there.
Really? You think so?
Well, use the little one. Don't use the. No! No, don't do it.
It's not working.
Oh my gosh. Use peanut butter. Use oil. Oil will
Oh no. Fuck.
Well, don't.
Yeah, don't.
Okay. Ow!
I fell the watch.
Okay, no, you're not doing that anymore.
The way she was doing it was working.
Well, I have a
Look
lot
at her.
of
She's
hair.
like, oh, I'll try it. Did it work?
I don't know. My legs aren't that hairy right now.
Do you wax or do you shave?
I only wax.
You only wax, so they're thin now. Your hair's thin?
Yeah, it definitely thins out from waxing after months and months. You should never put a razor to your skin.
It's common knowledge. Who would ever do that?
Ow! That really hurt. This
And it
part
didn't come
right
out,
here.
huh?
I think I have too much. I think I need
Go in
another.
the opposite direction. Doesn't it work?
No, it doesn't. I tried
It
it.
breaks?
It doesn't work.
Putty. It's sugar, really, huh? That's interesting.
I think because you have so much hair, it doesn't work as well as someone who's more.
Well, have you waxed with this yet?
Me?
Yeah.
I have like professionally at the studio.
Oh, there we go. I think because I have so much hair, I have to do like a very little bit at a time.
Yeah.
I see.
Let me go get the wax. Should I get the pre-cut ones?
Because I know it works with long hair, but I'm curious, is it going to work with like shorter hair?
Yeah, we'll do it. Let me go get some wax strips. Do this.
It's kind of cool that you're using the same strips though.
And you can use the same strips. I feel.
Can't do that
I don't
with
think you
waxing?
can do that. I don't know. I've never.
Not as much. Like I used like
Yeah,
this
that's
strip
quite a
went
lot.
like
Phew.
a long way.
That feminist waxing
waxing ritual.
paint on her, doesn't she?
Oh, that works pretty well.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think the rest of the world's going to be like, that's the way we want to wax.
People are gonna be like these morons.
Morons!
What idiots.
They must be some kind of hillbillies.
Just go pay the $15 to get your legs waxed.
Right. Think thicker.
Yeah. Okay, so ready?
Let's
Let's
try
do
it
a no strip test. Ready? Where do I have
So it's
hair?
totally
You can
edible
see.
too, isn't it?
It's edible.
If the apocalypse comes, you can survive off of this.
Okay, let's maybe do this. This is a nice consistency.
Mosquitoes trying to get your face.
Uh-oh. See, but it's hard to get off from there.
Yeah, so that's.
Ow!
Alright. She just looks like she's making peanut butter jelly sandwiches
Okay.
the hard way.
Oh. Nope. I don't know why it's not peeling.
Yeah, on the internet, it's like people just like.
Oh, really?
What's the ratio for that one?
I don't know. I thought we did it, but I guess.
Just use the
Let's go
strips.
warm it up and try again with the strips.
One more.
One more for the road. Smack it down.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's clean. I don't know. Look at someone wipe a gorilla's ass, and I don't know. Is it just melting right off your hands, hon?
Yeah, it's melting.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a lot better than regular wax.
Yeah, wax is like, it means it's screwed up or you gotta spray some kind of chemical to.
Yeah, this is like definitely coming off.
I think if you do it yourself, you should be fine. No?
Okay, so try not to be so messy. You're like getting. It's gonna just wash up. What's the freaking deal? I don't think anybody wants to do this. Just go to a salon.
Is it fast?
Salons?
Yeah.
Yeah. I get a full leg wax for $10. Just cool for like a minute.
Tomorrow you gotta be somewhere and you're gonna see your legs. Would you rather use this because it's not gonna make that irritating bumps?
Well, yeah, if you have the time to deal with it and clean up everything. It gets dirt, like messy.